Hey folks, this is Chris with Fast Frac Overland, and we didn't get out this weekend because of the rain. It was raining pretty bad yesterday, so today is a day trip. So it's me, the wife, and Shopcat. She's somewhere, I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna head. We're actually gonna go and look at some of the creeks and maybe some waterfalls and stuff, and see if the water is really flowing. So yeah, let's get out there and check it out. Oh, and we may go eat somewhere cool. I don't know, we'll see. Well, before we started our journey, the wife went into Casey's to get us some biscuits and a Red Bull. That's how we're going to start our morning before we go out and check out the waterfalls and stuff. I thought she was about to come out, so that's why I had the camera pointed at the door, but I guess I was wrong. Oh yeah, the breakfast of champions. Did you get us some breakfast?
Got breakfast.
All right.
I used my Casey's cash, so we got all that for 20 bucks.
Nice. All right, let's hit the road. Allergies were acting up, so I sent the wife in there to see if she could find some allergy medicine because my eyeball won't quit leaking. And yes, I was here last weekend and I'm back again. Well folks, I was sitting here at the O-Art Cafe and once again I run into this cat, man. What is up, brother?
Not much, man. How are you?
Doing good. Y'all out running trails today?
Dude, too pretty not to be.
Yeah.
Too pretty not to be.
I see who you got with you over there.
Dude, it's a whole bunch.
Oh, you got a whole crew with you, huh? Oh yeah, they're across the road everywhere. Where was my invite?
I don't know.
Oh.
Lost in the mail.
Yeah. Hey, over there. What's up? We got old Nick over
buddy?
here.
How's it going?
I was asking where my invite was.
Oh, look at it. Nobody got a good answer for that.
I know, right?
I'm gonna put me an order in. I'll be right back.
All right, we'll see you guys.
I'll be back.
Well, hey folks, we're up here at the Devil's Knob by the tower, the lookout. I brought the wife up here. She has never been up here, never seen this before. She's absolutely loving the view. I think I'm definitely gonna have to come back here and do some camping with her. But Shopcat needed out of the truck. She was going a little bit crazy, so she's out here running around. But anyway, I think we're gonna go check out the tower, take a look at it. I'm gonna fly the drone around a little bit, and then we'll move on to the next thing. I wanna find some water. I wanna see if this rain at least filled up the creek a little bit, and I would love to do a creek crossing with water, because man, I haven't done that in a while, and I'm itching to do it. But anyway, folks, we're gonna check it out here for a minute, and then move on down to the road. You know what I mean. I don't know, sometimes I just can't talk. But anyway, appreciate you watching.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
stopped here at the Ozone Burger Barn to get us a bite to eat. I'm already hungry. And then we met this one-eared cat that's over here. Mary's already made friends with it. So that's what we do though, because we're cat people. But yeah, I can't wait to eat these burgers. I bet they're gonna be delicious. Where's your friend at? Oh, I see. Oh my goodness.
His name is Church.
It's Church, the one-eared cat. That's a rough-looking cat.
Now I need to wash my hands.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Crazy.
tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
Well, looks like it's gonna be yummy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Looks good to me. Out here to Falling Waters Falls, and man, is that not a beautiful sight to see water falling over that. It's been a long time. It's been dry here in the Ozarks, and we got a little bit of rain, and yeah, it's good to see that for sure. Beautiful. But anyway, I think we're gonna play around here for a minute, and then we're gonna head down and go look at the creek and maybe get some creek shots. So yeah, hang around. Folks, it's wound up getting dark on us. It was an awesome day trip. It was cool to see all the water back in the Ozarks and actually hear the water in the Ozarks. We had a great day of eating some good food. The Ozone Burger Barn, those burgers were fantastic. Shopcat had a blast on this trip as well. And did you see it blur out right there?
No.
I did. I see it blur out.
Can't move.
And because it's getting so dark, I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye. We'll catch you later. Bye.